question and want us to find out the cube root of that, right? All we'll be looking at is to whose cube should be equal to this, right? If I cube one of these options, which should be equal to this. So I can reject this and this right away, that this is minus and minus. So the cube C and D will not be the answer. Then these and this will be the answer. And then when I look at this, when I'm getting this root 2, so I will reject B as well. So only A will be the option which will be remaining. Okay. If you want to just check, you can check this as well. What can happen is that 1 plus root 2 cube, when you do, this will be A cube plus B cube, which will be root 2 cube plus 3AB, 3 into 1 into root 2 plus AB, right? You know the formula plus B whole cube, right? 1 plus 2 root 2. This will be 3 root 2 and this will be 6. So as you can see, this is 7 plus 5 root 2. Now, what do we do in this one? This one is again I don't have to remember the formula, I'll just follow the process. I'll square both sides. This will become 6 plus k equals to k square. So then k square minus k minus 6 will be equal to 0. So I'm saying that if square both sides, this will become 6 plus k. And then you do the factorization. So this will be k square minus 3k plus 2k minus 6 equals to 0. Or k t minus 3 plus 2 times k minus 3 equals to 0. Or k equals to minus 2, which can be rejected, and k equals to 3, which can be taken. So 3 will be the one. So 3 square minus 1 will be 8.